2, we're gonna engage in 1. On the choke, on the choke, on the choke. Full party, full party. White this, white this, white this, white this, white this. Oh my
Somebody
god.
missing damage. Somebody missing big damage. I don't know who that is.
Go back southwest, bro. Go back southwest. Go back southwest. Go
Also, we're
back
gonna
southwest.
engage
Go
in
back
a
southwest. Go back southwest. Go back southwest. They have no
Give
engage
this
right now. Go back
person
southwest.
good
Go back
Lol,
southwest. Go
they
back
are
southwest.
built.
Go back southwest. Go back southwest.
If they engage,
Defensive,
they engage.
defensive, 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 defensive. Okay,
They
no
engage
engage. Nice
straight
silence.
from
Nice
there.
fucking silence, bro. Nice fucking
Yes,
silence.
bro.
Look northeast. Look
Very
northeast. Look northeast. Look northeast. Look northeast. We're gonna engage in 3. We're gonna engage in 2. We're gonna engage in 1. On me now. Please damage. Please some damage. Please some damage. Okay, nice fucking job. Go southwest. Go southwest. Go southwest. Don't stay.
Okay,
Don't stay.
go
Don't
southwest,
stay.
go.
Come
Push him,
southwest. Reflex. Come back. Reflex. Come back. Come back. Reflex. Come back. Southwest. Keep going southwest. Keep going southwest. Keep going southwest. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Wait for them. Wait for them. Wait for
Listen,
them.
Pinky,
Hold this
if you
choke. Hold
get
this
some
choke.
kills right, if you get some kills right, you can push in for advantage.
Yes, I know.
Help
I
him
know.
what's
Just
wrong.
wait. We got 1 kill, bro. 1 kill. What is that advantage?
Hello.
But the DPS is not coming up.
Bro,
Yo,
that was-
someone
Okay,
got
look,
to take.
look at the choke. 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 Damage on their D-tank. Damage on their D-tank. Can we kidnap him? Can we W him? Can we W him? Damage on their D-tank. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Northeast. Look at the choke. Look at the choke. There's no G. No G. No G. No G. No G. Okay, wait. No G. No G. No G. No G. No G. No G. Wait. Okay, look northeast. Look northeast. Look northeast. Come up. Try to come up. Try to come up. Come up and straight. Come up and straight. Come up and straight. Come up and straight. Look northeast. We're gonna engage in 3. We're gonna engage in 2. Okay, defensive now. Defensive first. Defensive first. Defensive.
Counter.
Okay, look at the center. Look at the center. 3, 2, 1. On the center now. On the center now. Full fucking party. White. Okay, run them over. Run them over. Kill them all.
Kill them off.
Nothing to say. Nothing to say. Kill G2,
Yeah,
kill
kill
their
them.
perma, kill everything.
Kill
Run
them.
over and
Kill
kill
them.
them. Run over and kill them. Don't chase. Kill the people in your center. Kill the people.
Okay,
Okay,
reset.
reset. Stop killing. Stop killing. Bro, I love this is okay. This is what I mean when I say death tanks are really good. Halal, no joke, bro. उनका कोई engage पे damage आ ही नहीं रहा है. Good job.
I'm
Good fucking
keeping that.
job.
I'll keep this word, bro. One thing, bro. Just stay inside them, snare them, and silence them. That's it. When they're engaging, Earth Room is very slow engage. You have to transform. You have to clump. Then he has to engage.
अरे अजमेर आजा ब्रो अरे क्यों मार रहे हो इसको बहन चूत
बच्चों
दिया
नहीं कर
Bro,
रहा
why?
यार
Please, don't do that.
अरे स्टार से इंता अपना अपना पंगे ले
As long as your D tanks are alive, you will be more safe because a lot of their DPS will get silenced. That's why healers have to make sure their D tanks are healthy. That's why
I'm making sure.
best-
Good job, bro. Finally.
I'm staying with this thing.
for tank
As
is
a healer.
because Blight can give 3 stacks.
Yes, Nova, your perma. You will always get that. You will always get that. But what you need to do is you need to navigate with your W and your
अरे
stalker.
कोई उनका भी
Maybe
कोई-
rest of the game.
कोई उनका साइलेंस वाला भी देख लो वो बहुत बार बार आके सबको साइलेंस करो और सारे
Thank you.
वो हर बार 30% HP पे जा रहा है. Okay, hold the choke. They're ready. Look at the choke. They're ready. We're holding the choke. Okay, we're holding the choke. This is it. We're just holding the choke. We're holding the choke. We're just holding the choke. Don't go down. Don't go down. Reflex. Go down.
Engaging,
When I
engaging.
engage. Wait, no, they didn't engage. That was fake. That was fake.
Yeah, that
We're
was.
still holding the choke. We're holding the choke. We're still holding the choke.
Yeah, they missed.
Engage.
Come down, walk down the choke, walk down the choke, walk down the choke. Keep walking.
They're
Keep
GA,
walking.
they're going to GA,
Night
they're-
helmets. Night helmets. Keep walking. Night helmets. Guard room on Nico Robin. Guard room on Nico Robin. Okay, we're gonna engage in 5. We're gonna engage in 4. We're gonna engage in 3. We're gonna engage in 2. We're gonna engage on 1. On the choke. Why wipe them, bro? What the fuck? Why is there no water fucking damage? Go southwest.
They're gonna counter. That's hard to counter.
Go southwest. Come southwest.
Engage,
Come southwest. Okay, nice. Okay, walk into them. Walk into them. Keep walking into them. Keep going into them. We're gonna engage in 3. We're gonna engage in 2. We're gonna engage in 1. On me. On the crown. Just kill them. Okay, keep chasing. Kill them. Wipe them. Full wipe them. They're nothing. Push through and wipe them.
Yeah, keep killing.
Okay, reset.
reset.
Okay,
हलाल भाई डोंट
No.
बढ़ना है
हाँ?
हाँ, it also
पर ये assassin पे खेलना पड़ेगा, problem नहीं है.
नहीं
Perma is a little
Bro,
late.
Kinky, the thing is now they have good D-tanks, they are stopping your DPS, that's why you're getting less damage. So for that, what you can do?
No, I look, bro. I saw that Hellion Hood. That is why when I said 5 3 times, that was because the Hellion Hood was still active. That's why I'm holding my engage. When I keep saying 5, that is I'm waiting for my DPS to get alive. लेकिन उसके बाद भी there is something that is missing. Either we don't have enough DPS, or either we're missing someone.
Their D-tanks are doing good, so that's it. So for that, because these are narrow
अरे
space, right?
उसका D-tank खेल ही नहीं पा रहा है.
So do one thing, try this thing, bro. Try to low their D-tanks, Pinky, you tell them. Okay? Try to ground
अरे
their
उसका
D-tanks and
D-tank को
engage on
पूछो
the
जाके
D-tanks.
उसका क्या उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है. उसको जाके जब फर्स्ट पूछो निको रोबिन को और एक जो D-tank है
मैं
ACS.
पूछूं जाके
Fire
अरे
damage
नहीं,
आ
Okay, I'm gonna switch to
नहीं,
Hearth.
हो रहा है, मैं मानता हूँ हो रहा है, बट कॉम्प हमारा वो नहीं हो पा रहा ना, लाइक स्टेबल.
Okay, listen. Okay,
बाद
look,
में जाएगा.
Nova,
मैं तो मारूंगा
Nova,
ही.
listen. हाँ ठीक है, तुम वो सब बाद में करना, अभी सुनो, listen to me, okay? I'm gonna transform with my E like this. I'm gonna air compress. You are not supposed to engage on
They're
this.
ready.
Don't
They're
engage on
ready.
this. This is gonna be a fake. ठीक है, my W
देखो उसका HP
will
देखो.
be the engage. My W will be the engage, okay? My W will be the engage, guys.
They're
Don't make
ready.
me repeat myself. Everybody listen. Okay, stay on the choke. Stay up the choke. Stay up the choke. Stay up the choke. Stay up the choke. Up the choke. Hold the choke. Hold the choke. Yogi, come a little bit. थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ, थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ. Yeah, hold the choke. Give them space to come
Almighty,
up. Oh,
they're
they're not
going
coming.
down.
Okay,
They're
walk
going
down
down.
northwest. Walk down northwest. Walk down northwest. Walk down northwest. Walk down northwest.
They're gonna look on the
Keep
slope.
walking. We're holding this choke. We're holding this choke. We're holding this choke.
No,
Okay,
they
keep
are
coming
going
down.
back, they
Keep
are
coming
going
down.
back.
Keep coming down. Keep coming down. Keep coming down. Keep following. Keep following. Keep following. Keep following. Okay, we're gonna engage on their depth tanks in 3, in 2, in 1. Engage on their depth tanks now. Engage on their depth tanks now. On now. On now. Now.
They're
Now. Now.
countering
On
it.
the on the choke. Keep damage. Keep damage. Okay, go back northwest. 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 Absorb this. Absorb this. Absorb this. Absorb this. Absorb this. Nice. 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 Walk southeast. Walk southeast. Walk southeast. Walk up the choke. Guard rune. Can I have one fucking guard rune on the choke?
Guard room on the
Okay,
choke.
keep walking southeast, 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 keep punishing their D-tanks, keep walking southeast, keep walking southeast, keep walking southeast. Look east, look east, look east. We can engage east in 3, we can engage east in 2, we can engage east in 1. On 1, on 1, on 1, on 1, on 1, on. Now, now,
They
now,
engage
now,
also.
now.
They engage also.
Late Karma, go
Late.
northwest, go northwest, go northwest, go northwest,
Kill
go
hello,
northwest.
kill
Kill
hello,
hello, kill hello, 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 kill hello, kill hello, kill hello, kill hello, kill hello. Okay, go northwest, 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 northwest. Separate from them, separate from them,
Watch
separate
out,
from them.
So,
Northwest, keep going northwest.
engage
Nice, nice,
faster
nice.
in-
Keep fighting,
try
keep
to
fighting,
engage,
keep fighting,
try to
keep
engage,
fighting, keep
try to
fighting,
engage.
keep fighting, keep fighting. Let them engage, let them engage, let them
They are
engage. Keep
here,
fighting
they are
northwest, keep
here.
fighting northwest. They're still going northwest. They're still going northwest. Nice job, Reflex. They're still going northwest. They're still going northwest. Okay, look southeast on the choke now. Look southeast on the choke now. On the choke now in 3, in 2, in 1. On the choke now. On the choke now. On the choke now. Okay, nahi. Come back northwest. My party is still separate. Come back northwest. Engage.
They engage
Come back.
Engage on me.
Okay, wait. Heal reflex. Heal reflex. Hold the choke. Hold the choke. We're holding the choke. We're still holding the choke. Straight below the choke. DPS, we don't need to come this forward. Okay, walk up now. Walk up now. Walk up now. Keep walking up now. Walk 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 up. Walk up. Walk up. We're looking southeast. We're gonna engage in 3, 2, 1. On the ground now. On the ground now. On the ground now. On the ground. Okay, get ready to absorb. 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 Absorb now. Absorb this. Absorb this. Absorb this. Absorb this. Absorb this. Go northwest. 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 Everybody go northwest. Go northwest. Okay, now come. Keep coming southeast. Heals and keep coming southeast. Heals and keep coming south. Okay, I'm engage on my W now. Okay, engage on my W now. Engage in 3.
Give cooldown, count down.
Okay, wait. We're waiting. Look towards the choke. Look towards the choke. Walk down the choke. Walk down the choke. Okay, engage in my W now. In 3, 2, 1. On my W now. On my W now. Nice damage. Go back southwest. Go back southwest. Keep going southwest. Free up my DPS.
3 DPS है.
Guide northwest. Guide northwest. Guide northwest. Keep coming northwest. Keep coming northwest. Keep
I am
guiding.
here.
We should guide. Kill their D-tank. Kill their D-tank.
इसने रीसेट बोल दिया, रीसेट बोल दिया.
रीसेट भाई.
Okay.
DPS
और
नहीं है
reset
उनको.
बोला.
So, Kinky, you know why we died? Because when you rushed in for engage, right, your tanks were still behind because we can't
Yeah,
get.
I saw late, bro.
Because of that, we can't stop engage. So, either let us take position, or if you're engaging, then shallow engage first and then come back.
Okay, sure. I'll do shallow engage.
मैं
in
किसी
that
और के
scenario.
माउंट पे उठ सकता हूँ क्या?
पागल है.
मुझे भी लेके जाओ.
I don't know who, but my fucking realm is OP, bro. Grim Reaper का realm पूछना ही नहीं पड़ता, आ ही जाता है.
सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा खेल रहा है
थैंक यू भाई. भाई 1-1.5 महीने से खेल रहा हूँ, कोई वेपन तो आउट कर रहा है.
लेकिन सच्ची में आई थिंक आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर प्लेइंग गुड। अजमेर बहुत सही टाइम पे
हेलो